Welcome friends, I Rakesh Sharma welcome you on my channel and branch. Friends, the year 2020 is being a drastic year for the entire human race. The kind of experience what we are getting in this year is very tough to understand, and at the same time if we understand it, then it's very easy to apply it in our life. Everything what we are facing in this year is for a reason, is for a preparation for the coming future. The way this world is going on from last few years, or should I say from last hundreds of years, is highly unacceptable. And who is creating this world? We ourselves. In my earlier videos I have spoken about one thing to all of you, that this is your last birth in this Kali Yuga. Whether you accept or not, it won't change. This is the reality that every person has to go through it. And if this is your last birth, that means the entire karma what we have created, it has to be answered in this lifetime. We have to address many issues, many questions which we have not answered in our entire lifespan. We need to find those answers in our life. The point is, what kind of learning you are taking and implementing in your life, because everybody has its own perception. The way he creates the entire thing in his head, in his brain. If a person is sleeping, you can make him awake, and if a person is already awake and he's acting like that he is sleeping, then he will never awake. There is something which we need to be aware of in the coming future, my friends. And we have to shape ourselves in that form so that we can tune into that future. And if we will resist, then we have to face the consequences in the coming time. If what I am seeing and if what I am feeling, and if it happens in the way I am seeing it, then you know what I'm saying to you. It's high time that we understand that what the Creator wants to teach us. Just ask to your inner conscious that what is the purpose of your life. This is that one question which you need to ask to yourself. And if you have that answer, then move into that direction in your life. And my friends, if you don't have that answer, then it's high time you should be aware, because in the coming future only the people who are very much specific about their purpose will move ahead in this world. It's high time we need to know our purpose. The Creator has created us for some reason, and we should identify that reason in our life. We can't escape it. We can't run from it. If you don't see, that doesn't mean it won't happen. It will happen. So just wake up, my friends, and ask yourself, what is the purpose of your life? If you don't get that answer, make sure you get it. This is a very unusual video. Still, there is a question for you in this video. And in this time, you need to answer this question. Thank you very much, friends, for watching this video.